Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a really fast and fun one. I've got some really ripe bananas, and so I thought it would be the perfect time to make some amazing and super easy banana bread. So I've got 450 grams of banana here, and that's about 4 large bananas. I weighed those without the skins. In the bowl here, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That is equal to 300 grams. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon, that's about 1 gram. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 gram. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 7 grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams. 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 200 grams. A half a cup of melted butter, 114 grams. I am using salted butter in my recipe today, so if you don't want to add that little bit extra salt, you can omit it from the recipe. 2 large eggs, and our last ingredient, 1 cup of walnuts, or about 100 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. I've just transferred all of the bananas to a larger bowl, and now I'm just going to break all of these down. And you can see how ripe these bananas are. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to add in all of my melted butter. Oh, this is going to be so good. So I've transferred my eggs to a bowl. And I just want to crack them and mix them up before I add them. You can do this inside the bowl as well if you wish. I just want to make sure that they're properly mixed up here. That's good. Get that in. Just give it a little bit of a mix. That's good. We'll add in all of our sugar. And at this point, I have my oven preheating. So always have your oven preheating before your recipe is actually ready to go into the oven, so that your oven achieves the temperature that is required in your recipe. So that's good. We'll add in our vanilla, or I forget. Just mix that in. You can use a whisk as well if you want at this point here for all of this stuff. There we go. And then I've got my flour, our little bit of cinnamon, baking soda, and our tiny bit of salt. And then let's just get all of that in. Perfect. And at this point, nice and gentle. Always look around your table to make sure that you have not forgotten any ingredient. And let's just slowly mix all of this together. So this is a very good method to use if you think you are over mixing any of your cake batters whatever you're making, doing it by hand can really help that. Because it's amazing how quickly 5 seconds with a mixer can do so much more mixing than doing it by hand. Coming around. I want to get down in the bottom. Just flip it, bring it around and over. And just check, make sure everything is well mixed. And at this point, that is finished. Or what you can do is add in walnuts, which I'm going to be doing. Now you could have taken a little bit of the flour, mixed it in with the walnuts, and then put it in. That helps separate the walnuts, but I didn't do that today. So I've got my walnuts, I'm just going to dump those in, and that really is it for the recipe. Just fold those in. And that's it. For today's recipe, I am using a glass bowl. This works really well. Make sure I'm on camera. And then I'm just going to get all of this in. And I have greased my bowl. Now what you can do is keep a couple of walnuts just to put on the top. Or if you have extra, just do your full cup and then add a few extra on the top, which is just fun. Makes it look nice. And use a spatula. You want to make sure that you get all of your ingredients out. You paid for them, so let's use them. I think that looks good. Turn that around. You want to get it even, because as it bakes it will rise more in the middle than on the ends. That looks good, just like that. So my oven is ready to go. It's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. I've got a few extra walnuts. I'm just going to place those on. Totally optional to do this. So I'm going to go pop this into the oven. I'm going to bake it and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, I am back and my banana bread looks amazing and it smells even better. I baked it for 50 minutes. Be very careful when you're baking in something like this with a large amount of batter that you check it with a little cake tester. Your oven may be different. It could be 50 minutes, it could be 1 hour, it could be that extra 10 minutes, it might even be an hour and 5 minutes. So be very careful in the final minutes that you check it with your little cake tester. I'm gonna get it out of here now. It's been sitting now for, I'd say, maybe 30 minutes. I think it's gonna come out. I think it will. So let's check it out. Okay, it is still pretty warm. Let's hope for the best. Oh, there we go. Nice. Very nice. Ooh, that is hot. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over and get it on there. Oh, that is really nice. Okay, clean up a little bit. And let's give this a little bit of a spin. Make sure I'm on camera here. And look at that. This smells amazing. And if you don't want to do the banana bread like this, you can do it in a muffin style. This works amazingly well. I do have a video on where I'm using this recipe doing muffins. But look at that. Oh, that is so nice. Let's cut into this. It's still warm, but I can't really wait much longer. I want a little slice of this. Look at that. Oh, that looks amazing inside. Oh, look at this. Look at that. That is awesome. Where is the butter? Not healthy, but amazing on here. Look at this. Super, super moist. Oh, this is so nice. Look at that. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, that is so good. I could even argue this is better than chocolate cake. It is just amazing. Oh wow. Oh, that's really good. Oh yeah. So that's it for this really fun video. You could see how fast it was. We whipped this together in no time. Amazing results. I hope you try this at home. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at Bake Like a Pro. And if you're on Instagram, you can check me out there as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I am going in for another bite. Oh, this is so good. That is amazing. Oh, it's really good. Wow. I always forget how much I love banana bread. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.